Hi, my name is Stephen Ngbo MAITAKAMA. You are welcome to MAITAKAMA online computer lectures. Today I will be taking you on the carrier current protection of transmission lines. This is a training meant for system operation engineers. So what is carrier current protection of transmission lines? What does that mean? Carrier current protection scheme is mainly used for the protection of long transmission lines. In the carrier current protection schemes, the phase angle of the current at the two faces of the lines are compared instead of the actual current. That's the meaning. And then the phase angle of the line decide whether the fault is internal or external. The main elements of the carrier channel are transmitter, receiver, coupling equipment, and line trap. The carrier current receiver receives the carrier current from the transmitter at the distant end of the line. The circuit diagram of the carrier current protection scheme. But as I've said earlier, the carrier channels has the basic four elements, the following basic four elements, which is the line trap, this is the one, the coupling capacitor, the transmitter, then the receiver. So you take as an example, this is station 1 breaker, and this is station 2 breaker with a line trap which is inserted between the bus bar and the coupling capacitor. This line trap connects the channel equipment to the transmission line, and it separates the channel equipment, which is the coupling capacitor, the transmitter, the receiver, from the high voltage of the transmission line. This carrier current protection scheme does not use the value of the current for its own operation, no, but it uses the phase angle of the current on the two phase conductors. It compares them, then decision is made whether it is an internal fault or external fault. So in this station 1, this receiver received the carrier current signal from this transmitter of station 2. Then the receiver converts the carrier current signal to a DC voltage and send it to a relay for the operation of these two breakers. So when these two breakers, breaker of station 1 and breaker of station 2, operate, they separate the line from the line fault. So the coupling capacitor is an LC parallel network. This one connects the channel equipment to the line as of earlier and separate it from the high voltage of the transmission line, then restricting the current of the power line to flow through the conductors, and the carrier current signal is allowed restricted to the carrier channel. So this is the principle of its own operation. It doesn't use value of a current for the operation, but instead it compares the phase angle, then the operation takes place. So the advantage of this very circuit of carrier current protection scheme is that it is very fast in operation, very fast in operation. Then it allows the two breakers of the two stations to operate, station 1 and station 2, to operate at the same time and separate this line from the line fault. Then it is used for supervisory control. SCADA can be connected through this scheme to this very scheme, and then will be used for the operation of circuit breakers and the operation of isolators. That's supervisory control. Now, this very scheme also is used for distant communication, distant telephoning. It helps in the communication between station to station through this carrier scheme. So at the same time, can be used for telemetering. That is station 2, which is far away from station 1. In fact, the parameters on station 1 can be monitored through this telemetry, through this carrier current protection scheme. So megawatts, which is rail power, apparent power, then the reactive power, which is the MX, then the current and the voltage can be metered from a very, very fast station through this scheme. Then at the same time, the scheme is also used for protection. That's the advantage. So this very coupling capacity is an LC, as I've told you earlier, is an LC power circuit, which is tuned to a resonant high frequency, resonant high frequencies. This is the operation of this carrier current protection scheme. So I've told you it's very, very effective in detail. This is the circuit. We have the red, the yellow, and the blue phases, and this is the breaker. Then if you come to this station 2, you have the red, the yellow, the blue phase, and the circuit breaker, then the line trap, then the coupling capacitor, then the transmitter, then the receiver, and this form the complete network channel. So in the next lecture, we shall be taking you on REF. So remain tuned and always remain in this station. If possible, you subscribe on the YouTube channel, then you can share and you can equally download free. So thank you so much for watching.